Dear students of class 10, it is the second video of your the measure of central tendency related to the finding mean of group data. Okay. Since the measure of central tendency, the mean is it is another part of the measure of central tendency. Earlier videos we have seen for measuring this for ungrouped data. This is for mean for group data. Shortcut method to find the mean. The formula is same. Mean is equal to a plus sigma fd by sigma f. Okay, a is the assumed mean. You can find out. Here is a question for you. Find the mean of this distribution given. Class interval 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. Then frequency 7, 6, 9, 5, 3. To find out mean from this group data given in the class interval, that you have to find out the mid value of this. That will be your x. So find out the class mark. That is sum of the upper limit and lower limit by 2. So 35 plus 40 by 2, 37.5. And since the class size 35 to 40 is 5, go on adding 5 to each to find out later class mid values or class marks. So 37.5, 42.5, 42.5 is 47.5, 52.5, 57.5. F is given 7, 6, 9, 5, 3. Therefore, now x into fu from this first, since we are taking the shortcut method, so find out a, that is equal to x minus a, assume mean taken here, 47, a is equal to 47.5. Therefore, 37.5 minus 47.5 is minus 10. Similarly, 42.5 minus 47.5 is minus 5. 47.5 minus 47.5 is 0. 52.5 minus 47.5 is equal to 5. 57.5 minus 47.5 is equal to 10. So that is your D. Now find F into D. So F multiply D column to F. You will be getting minus 10 into 7 minus 70, minus 5 into 6 minus 30, 0 into 9 is 0, 5 into 5 25, 10 into 3 30. Now find out sigma FD by adding this. So sigma FD will be minus 45. Sigma F you find out that is equal to 30. Okay. So you can find out this sigma F and sigma, then mean is equal to a plus sigma f d by sigma f. You find out so that you can find out the mean of this. Then shortcut method, step deviation method. For that, as you know formula, a mean is equal to a plus sigma ft by sigma f into I, where a is equal to assumed mean, t is equal to x minus a by I class size. Okay. So the question given here to find out by step deviation method, weight in grams 80 to 85 gram, 85 to 90, 90 to 95, 95 to 100, 100 to 105, 105 to 110, 110 to 115. Number of apples is equal to, it is given 5, 8, 10, 12, 8, 4, 3. So first write this class interval, that is weight, then find its mid value, that is x by, as you know, by class mark. Then find the D column, that is x minus a. So you will be getting, and a is taken here, 97.5. So 82 minus 97.5 is minus 15. 87.5 minus 97.5 is minus 10. And so on, go on finding. So this column will be minus 15, minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5, 10, 15. Then from this you find out T. T is equal to the D by class size, or x minus a by class size. Class size here, since 85 minus 5, 85 minus 8, 80 is 5, or class size is 5, divided by 5, so you will be getting minus 15 by 5 is minus 3, minus 10 by 5 minus 2, so minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then find out F into T. So 5 into minus 3, minus 15, 8 into minus 2, minus 16, and so on. 10 into minus 1, minus 10, 12 into 0, 0, 8 into 1, 8, 4 into 2, 8, 3 into 3, 9. After that, find out sigma ft, add all this column of 50, so you will be getting minus 16. Sigma f is your 50. So mean is equal to A plus sigma ft by sigma f into I. So that is 97.5, that is assume mean, plus minus 16 by 50 into class size is 5 into 5. So by simplifying you can find out 95.9 or round to 96 gram is the nearest gram value. Now some questions for you to practice. The following table gives the wages of workers working in a factory. Wages in rupees: 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80, 80 to 85 and 85 to 90. Number of workers: 5, 20, 10, 10, 9, 6, 12, 8. So calculate the mean by direct method. As you know, direct method sigma fx by sigma f. And second method, that is A plus sigma fd by sigma f. You know that you apply and find. Second case is given the following data given for 70 boys in a class test. Mark score 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. Number of boys: 30 to 40, 10, 40 to 50, 12, 50 to 60, 14, 60 to 70, 12, 70 to 80, 9, 80 to 97 and 90 to 100, 6. Calculate mean by using shortcut method and step deviation method. Here another question: find the mean by step deviation method. Class interval given 63 to 70, 70 to 77, 77 to 84, 84 to 91, 91 to 98, 98 to 105, 105 to 112 by frequency 9, 13, 27, 38, 32, 16 and 15. Similarly, another question you have here, that calculate the mean of the distribution by using shortcut method. It is given March 11 to 20, 20 to 21 to 30, 11 to 22, 21 36, 31 to 40 10, 41 50 12, 51 69, 61 to 77, 71 to 84. Calculate the mean by using shortcut method. Similarly, calculate the mean of the following distribution. Any method you can apply here. 0 to 10 8, 10 to 25, 20 to 30 12, 30 to 40 35, 40 to 50 24 and 50 to 60 16. Okay, dear students, if this video, this gives a complete input to you about the finding mean of this part of the measure of central tendency, you practice, go through the first the word sums. After that, go through the exercise, work out this. If still you have any doubts, you can just ask in the comment box, so that I'll go through and give you a reply to this. If you like the video, you can share and subscribe.